Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Voyage 53, where we dive into the coolest tech gadgets for your perfect setup. With 20 preset modes, customizable brightness, and speed setting, the RK96 offers a vibrant, customizable show that can match any vibe. The RK96 comes with RK linear switches, and that's how it sounds. It's very clicky. One standout feature, it's hot swappable, so you don't have to solder if you want to change anything for the switches. It also has a volume knob, which I don't like a lot because it looks very cheap.